can't see your face.
Okay, so make sure you got this spacer plate in. Starter lines up right here. All the other bolt holes lined up, so I know it's right. So now we're gonna start trying to attach this.
Really? It's very slowly, but it's going on.
Take this and start turning the crankshaft. Just slowly turn it. Go that way. This way. Okay, now turn the crankshaft.
3 hours later.
Turning it. Okay, very slowly. Okay, stop. Okay. F***ing sick, dude. That was such a bitch. What? Oh my god, you're f***ing kidding me. Alright, y'all, that was a bitch, but we finally got it on.
So,
You Yeah, I just cussed this thing out.
you beep.
Yeah, so now it should turn. Hold this. That's better. Yeah, buddy. Was this spinning? No. So is it neutral? Okay. So we're gonna carry on with this. I gotta go get another SD card. I'm gonna come back. We're gonna drop this in and shit. We'll see what happens. Probably not getting it running tonight. Definitely not. I got too much other shit to do, so. Hope you guys have enjoyed. I sure as hell haven't. But that's why I do this shit, so I learn how to do it. So. Going back in. Hold up, we're almost there. Just dropped on your side. On your side, or this side.
Yeah.
Where's my bar? And that's how you drop in a Mustang engine. Hell yeah, brother! Money, dude. Okay, now where's the wiring harness? Okay, so yeah. We're looking good. This is all that was holding that engine and transmission up. 8mm, 4.8mm bolts. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Okay. So we got our transmission shifter linkage hooked back up. So that's nice and tight. We're about to drop or pop our shifter back up. Just got to get these nuts off. These nuts?
Got him! Got him!
Ah! That scared me.
Squirtle dude.
Okay, so this is what holds your... Come on, shithead. Fuck. Really? Okay, so this bushing is what holds your shifter. So you just pop that on right over there. A little easier said than done. That's like what it looks like when I'm trying to do the sex. Big old mushroom tip trying to go in, you know? And you pop this bad bitch up. Okay, jack it up. Jack up the trans. Okay, hold up. Okay. Jack it up a little more. That's about good right there. You put your nuts back on these studs coming through. And then you just zap them up. There's your linkage. Okay. So now we're gonna get our cross member. Pretty sure this goes right in there or something. This goes on the other side of the trans. Drop it down a little bit. Come on.
Sorry, I'm at the wrong angle to do this gently.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah, hold her there. Okay. There we go.
You know what you make me feel like? Kid holding the flashlight.
That's right. That's what you are, Mason. So, we got our cross member on. Just bolt up these 3 bolts.
Sorry for the extra headache.
What?
Sorry for the extra headache.
Okay, so you get those partially bolted up. Go ahead and jack up the trans, Mason. Leave these loose because you're gonna end up needing to move this stuff around. Go a little bit more. Okay, right there. What? I think this has provisions for like a V8 transmission. These bolts right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They're all the same car. They're just different engines. They're totally meant to.
I know that, but
modify.
it's cool because they have the provisions for the swaps.
Yeah, exactly. It's all meant to modify. They even left enough room in there to drop a V8 engine in there.
Okay, so now we can send these bolts down. Alright. We can suck these bad girls up. Then we can switch over to our 18 millimeter. Hell yeah, brother. We can zap these bitches up. Look at that, it's like daylight. Better than daylight. Alright, and your transmission is now supported. You can go ahead and drop that jack, Mason. Well, yeah, buddy. Alright, let's go make sure your clutch works, bud. Hell yeah, brother. You want to grab the camera?
Yeah, sure.
I don't know why you'd leave it down here.
Because I'm a degenerate like
You're a
that.
recorder. I'm not you to record.
Again, I feel like you're a kid.
Clutch works.
Sure you don't want to get under it?
I'm pretty sure.
And are you sure it's plugged in?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, bud.
I don't know if there's a way to bleed these. Is it starting to get better?
It feels like it.
Does it depress and come up all the way by itself?
Not yet. But I can
Just pump it a shit ton.
like I didn't have that.
Okay, just keep pumping it.
One eternity later.
I know.
Alright, well, we'll see what happens. Oh, last time we did this, we just put it back together and it worked. I'll look up how to bleed one of these clutches, see if it even needs it. There you go. I swear I can see this fluid going down.
I can hear it. Oh yeah, this helps a lot. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Please stand by.
Me and your mom last night.
Oh my god. Now let me feel that shit.
That's a lot better, yes.
Not really. Should fully depress and come fully back up. I don't know, I think we're gonna cut it there for the night. We got the engine back in, got the transmission bolted back up. We're getting there. We might call it here for tonight because it's
10.
10. Yeah. Yeah, we're probably gonna call it here, guys. So I'm gonna go home and start editing this video. Next part,
Part 3.
you'll see it getting fired up and driving. Cool. Yeah, no shit. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed some of our stupidity. I don't know why we're allowed to work on cars, but here we are. Same guy that throws rods through engines. Yeah, I like to blow up Subaru motors. So,
It's
good
a fun
stuff.
time. Very expensive
stuff.
habit.
Yeah. Yeah. And I have a car in impound right now that's possibly never coming back out. I want like $8,000 for it right now. It's a good old STI. God damn it, if I can't get that back, I'm gonna go buy another STI or a WRX or some shit. Because I can't live without a Subi. So, I tried it before. I don't have it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Watch the next one for more stupidity and dumbassedness. And we'll see you in the next one.